Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Darkroom. I am Gauri PS, lecturer, Department of Radiology, Global College of Allied Health Sciences. Darkroom. A darkroom is a radiology department room which is a light-proof room that is used for developing the traditional X-ray films through a chemical process. It is mostly done in a manual method. It is designed to be completely dark to prevent accidental exposure to light, which may cause film fogness and also it can damage the films. The room usually consists of a dry side for loading and a wet side for developing the films. Location. The dark room should be located close to the X-ray room. If there are more than one X-ray room, the dark room will be located in between both the rooms. Actually, it should be located away from the hot areas or from the basement department, as it may cause the changes in the chemical concentration. Next is structure. The ideal darkroom should have a 10 square feet of floor area and 10 to 11 feet of ceiling height. It should have a necessary space for keeping all the equipment which are required for the film processing. The walls of the darkroom should be light colored and should be covered with a chemical resistant ceramic tiles that to provide the reflection of the safe light during the film processing. The wall which is located adjacent to the X-ray room should be 150 mm of thickness or made of a concrete. If it is not made of any of these substance, then it should be made of a lead coating over it. If some of the walls may be thin walled, if such a thin walls are made, then a sheet of lead should be covered over all the wall areas, which protect the X radiations entering from the X-ray room to the dark room. The floors of the dark room will be flat and smooth. It should be made of proclaim tiles, as it is durable and chemical resistant, and it will be easy to clean. Pass box. Pass box is a wall mounted which is attached to an X-ray room. The pass box, the word it means, it is a way by which we can transfer of X-ray images from the dark room to the X-ray room. Usually it has two interlocked doors, that is one for opening the exposed film and other for the unexposed film. It is also called as cassette transfer cabin. Illumination. There are two modes of lighting used in darkroom. Safe light. X-ray films are light and color sensitive. So there will be safe light which will provide a limited amount of light that is only used for visibility of the X-ray film during a film processing. So after the film processing, we should view whether the image is formed or not in an X-ray film. So we use a safe light in the X-ray department so that we can view whether the image is formed or not. Usually the safe light is required for film processing, general illumination, and for loading and unloading of the films. Light proofing. The room should be completely sealed from the external light, as a limited part of a light may cause damages to the X-ray films. Usually the entrance consist of a revolving door, maze, labyrinth system or interlocking double door system, so that the light cannot be leakaged from the X-ray department to the dark room. Wet and dry benches. Usually the dark room consists of two areas, that is dry bench and wet bench. The dry bench, from the word we can understand, it is dry. That is the films, cassette, which are dry, will be kept over the dry bench. Then the wet side, that is wet bench. Wet bench, it automatically means that is which consists of some of the liquid. That is, it will be wet. That is the processing unit area. That is, it consists of the chemicals or the materials which will be used. That is solvent, water, whatever it may be. So which are wet, they will be kept over the wet bench area. Then is the ventilation. Usually there will be a proper air conditioning. That is, it does not contain any air holes or any other ventilation system.